Setting up Nighthawk RS300 Wi-Fi 7 router. In this post, you will get to learn about how to set up Nighthawk RS300 Wi-Fi 7 router using your phone and computer. The router device must be placed close to the modem. Afterwards, find WAN port of Netgear router and LAN port of the modem. Now it is time to use Ethernet cable and connect it to the ports that you have found. Supplying electricity will turn on the router by connecting its power cord to a wall socket. Wi-Fi interface login, phone. Start with connecting your phone with the system network through SSID details. For Android smartphone, just open Play Store app, and for Apple iPhone, open App Store app. Simply search the Netgear Nighthawk app, reach to the app download page, in which you can install Android or get Apple, the app. Open the Nighthawk app, type in login credentials like username and password. The interface dashboard will appear in the mobile device. Here you can easily access all the features and settings. Wi-Fi interface login, computer. By using updated web browser and searching login URL routerlogin.net or IP 192.168.1.1. A new login web page will appear where you have to type in the username and password. Label or the user manual of the router will help you to get the admin credentials. By entering the credentials, you will get to the Netgear RS300 web interface on your computer.